With this course, you will get a step-by-step guide in 8 series for the front and back of the body to learn how to give a massage that will bring you closer, melt away stress, and deepen your connection. Plus, improve your well-being. And this is where you're going to put that masterclass into action without wasting time. Each lesson is under 15 minutes in small, digestible chunks, making it easy to learn at your own pace. You'll dive into the science of connective tissue and discover the secret to deliver pressure with informed, effective touch. Here's where MassaVinci really shines. We teach you how to move your body with ease and fluidity. We call this flow ergonomics. It's essential to know as it ensures you won't strain your back, your wrists, or your shoulders while giving a massage. This method teaches you the easiest ways to move so you're not worn out. Another cool thing about this course is that you'll be learning maneuvers to position your partner's body and allow you to massage from different angles. And then finally, you're going to discover the sensual sweeps, which are the core of our training. These are long, soothing, sensual strokes that will reduce tension and improve intimacy. You can say goodbye to awkward, clunky movements on the floor or couch and say hello to fluidity and ease of giving massage on a table.